Hey guys, I have found another trade for you. This is the lead trade and we are buying it at the market. So this will be the stop and the target for that. It could be swing trade because it's already 9:16 right now. So it will be definitely going till tomorrow. But nevertheless, it's really nice trade. So see if you can get into it as I have already sent you the message. So I'll be updating you as we go along. Hey guys, final update on the trade. As you can see, the target is hit and I hope everybody is out as we have discussed. Now this thing can go up more, but that's not our problem. This was our target and we already booked our full profits. So make sure everybody is out of the trade. All right. It was a quick money we made. See, this only take 2 hours to get to our targets, and I mean this is the kind of trade I personally like, not like this which is going in this direction like this. All right. So another trade into our pocket, and I'll be updating you again if I find any other good trade. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.